people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you 4 travel credit cards you can get for fair credit. So if you guys have fair credit, I'm going to tell you 4 credit cards that you guys can possibly get approved for. Now, one of them is going to be a secure credit card, and that's because fair credit starts with about, I'll say like a 580 and can go all the way up to a 669. But when we start with this Discover secure credit card, understand that it will graduate in 8 months, so don't be scared. But let's get right on into the credit cards. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Now, when it comes down to the Discover a secure credit card, it's a secure credit card, which means you have to put a deposit down on it. So you guys can put a deposit anywhere between $200 and $2,500 down. Now, when you guys do that, if you guys make sure you're paying your bill on time, make sure that you're not having late payments, and then make sure that your credit report is not getting worse, it's getting better, then look right here, you guys, you can get your deposit back. So after 7 months, we begin automatic monthly account reviews. So they're going to keep reviewing your account to see when they're going to graduate your account and make it an unsecured account and then give you your deposit back. But that's, I'll say, about 8 billing cycles, or they say after 7 months. But I'll say, hey, try to have like 8 billing cycles under your belt, then really look for it and call and see if they can go ahead and graduate your account. But thing with the Discover a secure credit card, you guys, is you guys will earn cash back. You're going to get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, and that's going to be up to $1,000 in combined purchases within each quarter. So you guys are going to get rewards. You guys are going to get 1% cash back on everything else. And then 2, they're going to calculate how much cash back or how many rewards you got within the first year, and they're going to double it. So you're going to 2x that, whatever your rewards are. So say if you're getting a 2% here, it's going to, after the year, it's going to technically be 4% because they're doubling that. Now, you guys can use this credit card if you guys are out the country too, because you guys have no foreign transaction fees. So that's real, you guys. Transaction fees, especially if you're in other countries, it can rack up. So they have no foreign transaction fees. And if you want to use your rewards, you can use them on Amazon, you can use them on PayPal, or you can do like I do. Like when I have any cash back, I'll just take the cash back into my account, and then I'll use that to just pay my bill. I'll just put it into whatever account I have, and then I'll just use it to pay my bill. So you can do the same thing. So it can just go to pay off whatever you spent. Now, that is the Discover a secure credit card. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Capital One Platinum. Now, this one, they don't have any rewards or they don't have a welcome bonus, but it's an easy credit card to get. They don't have an annual fee, and they're not going to charge you guys any transaction fees, which is really good. So I really tell people, try to get this one. It's like a very easy one. You can get like a 580 credit score, and they also have other things that you guys want to think about. So you guys will have fraud coverage. You guys will have travel accident insurance. You guys will have auto rental collision damage waiver. So if something was to happen, you guys will get that waiver. Something was to happen with the rental car you had any damage, you guys will have a waiver for that. You guys will have roadside assistance and 24-hour travel assistance services also. And then too, they're going to give you automatic credit line reviews in as little as 6 months to see if they're going to give you an increase. So I like this credit card, and they can also pre-qualify you for it. So you don't have to worry about getting a hard inquiry. They can pre-qualify you for this credit card. So that's another great thing about this credit card. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Apple credit card. Now, I came straight here on the Apple website because that's the best thing to me. You guys will get the rewards with Apple. They don't charge any transaction fees. You guys are going to get the 3 or the 2% back depending on what you're getting. But every time you use your Apple card with Apple Pay, you're going to get 2% back. And then also when you guys do like Uber Eats, and you're going to getting some gas, you guys are going to Walgreens, these are them hot spots you go to when you're traveling, then you guys are going to get the 3% back. So I really like that. And then you guys are going to get 1% back anywhere the Apple Pay isn't accepted. So I really like this credit card. And then they have something called the Apple Trick. So you guys can try to see if you can get that Apple Trick to work. And that's where you're going to try to, you see I say they can pre-approve you with no impact to your score. You're going to go ahead, see if they can pre-approve you. And if they pre-approve you for a credit card, as soon as they tell you that, oh, we can pre-approve you, they have an offer up for you, then you're going to go ahead and freeze your credit report and then accept the offer. And then they're still going to give you that credit card, but they're not going to be able to pull your credit score because your credit report is frozen. But that's the trick that you can do with the Apple credit card. So you guys definitely want to look into that and check it out. But yeah, that's pretty the biggest thing I want to talk to you guys about with the Apple credit card. But last but not least, I actually have a bonus credit card I want to talk to you guys about. And the best thing about the bonus one is you guys can get pre-approved for it. So stick around for that. But let's go over one more credit card and then we'll go over that bonus. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Chase Freedom Flex. Now, with the Chase Freedom Flex, you guys are not going to have any annual fee at all, which is good. You guys can possibly get the low APR, which is a 14.99%. And then it's all the way up to 23.74%. So that's better than like a lot of other credit cards. We get 24% to start off, or you're at 29%. Now they're not going to charge you any interest. They got the 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. So I think that is really amazing, you guys, especially if you already bought, say if you already paid for some type of trip on another credit card, you can get that transfer over to this credit card and then you'll have that 0% APR for the 15 months. Or you guys can just use this for whatever trip you want to go on, because you're not going to be charged any APR. So that's the best thing about that, you guys. Now, the warning about this one is they do charge foreign transaction fees. So you guys want to make sure that any travel that you're doing it domestically. You're not going, you're not going anywhere out the country because you don't want to get charged those foreign transaction fees. Now, they do have a welcome bonus, which is really good. You guys are going to earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months of opening your account. So that's really good. And then this is another thing. This is the most cash back that we've seen out of all of these credit cards. But this one is going to be more, like I said, over that 660, 670 is where you want to be to get this credit card. But they have a 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases. So, and that's each quarter, you guys. So I really like that they had that 5% cash back for you all. Now let's go into this bonus credit card. I told you guys we were going to go into the bonus credit card, and that bonus credit card is going to be the Capital One Venture One Rewards, and that's just for good credit. That means that you don't have to have like the best credit, but this is more, like I said, at 670 at 680. You want to kind of be in it, possibly just a little bit higher if you can. But what you can do to boost your credit score really quickly is just make sure you pay down your credit cards if you have high utilization. And then your credit score is going to shoot up. And when your credit score shoots up, and when I say shoot up, I mean it can go up 20 points, 30 points, sometimes 70 points. Mine do, depending on how much I pay off. When your credit score go up, that's when you want to apply for credit cards anyway. You don't want to apply for credit cards when your credit score is really low. So with this one, you guys, you can pre-qualify for it. Don't forget, all the Capital One credit cards you can pre-qualify for. And you guys are going to earn 5 times the miles on hotels and rental cars, because I didn't tell you much for like rental cars and hotels. So you guys may want to book your hotel stays and your rental cars with this credit card. And then you got to book it through the Capital One Travel. So they have their own website where you guys can go ahead and book these things with, but you guys are going to get 5 times the miles. And then you're going to earn a limited 1.25 miles on all other purchases. Now, you're going to earn the usual Virtual One Travel rewards, but you won't be eligible for the new car holder bonus miles or 0% intro APR. So keep that in mind. And you don't really have any travel benefits, such as like the TSA pre-check or the global entry. You're not going to have that, but still it's a credit card where you can get it. You can start doing what you need to do with it in terms of make sure you pay on time. If you're getting this credit card, make sure you're not keeping a balance on it, because if you keep a balance on these credit cards, it's going to be worthless for travel. All the points and all that stuff you earn in the cash back is going to go right back in fees. So you don't want to do that. But this is a great credit card you guys want to actually go ahead and get. I don't want to go into a ramble on these credit cards. You will get in with Capital One so that you can go ahead and get other credit cards. So it's a great credit card you guys can start off with, and it can pre-qualify you. Now, if you guys have any questions for me, definitely let me know. But these are the 4 best credit cards you guys can get if you're looking for travel credit cards for fair credit. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you guys can't get approved for these credit cards, don't forget, I have my exclusive credit membership where I teach you guys how to remove any negative accounts on your credit reports that you may need to get removed, and then how to boost your credit score. I have a $1 trial for 7 days where you guys can check it out. Go ahead and get the $1 trial down below and check it out. And if you guys have any questions, you want to schedule a call with me, go ahead and schedule a call down below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.